Hello everyone, so today I'll answer to a popular question. Does the Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE have a SIM slot? So let's check together. First of all, let's locate any slot. So the only slot which we have is right here on the right side of the screen. Now let's grab our SIM ejecting tool and insert it into it. Push it a bit and let's take out our tray. So what is it gonna be? Let's take out, and that's it. And luckily, as you see on this tray, the Redmi Pad SE is designed with a SIM tray, but it only supports an SD card for additional memory storage. Unfortunately, there is no slot for a SIM card. As you see, it's blocked. There's nowhere to put it, and this model is solely Wi-Fi version, does not support mobile networks, calling and using the SIM card. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.